Hello? 1, 2, 1, 2. Are we having fun? We'll play a few more games before we go to the next segment. So right now, we'll call on random people here to...
I'll stay on this table.
Okay, thank you.
Yes,
we'll call on random people to try to translate some Yoruba words.
It's a test of knowledge, Yoruba
so it's a test of knowledge. We'll mention some Yoruba words and you would attempt to translate it to English. So the first Yoruba word is pano, pano.
Pano, pano.
Ta ló lè translate ẹ sí èdè òyìnbó?
Use it in a sentence, please, MC.
Pano, pano.
Use it in a sentence.
I have one person here, please.
A pe panápaná láti wá pa iná ilé nígbà tí ilé bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní jó.
Did you hear the sentence? A pe panápaná.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. But can you now say it in English? Can you translate that to English, ma?
Yes. We called the fire brigade to come and put out the fire in the place.
Shogba?
Wọ́n gbà o.
Is panápaná fire brigade? I don't think so.
Now, I will tell you, should I say it? Should I say it?
Can someone else attempt it?
Can I say it? I should say it.
Okay, say it.
Pano is kill fire, kill fire.
Pano, kill fire,
kill fire.
Kill fire.
Tell
your neighbor, kill fire, kill fire.
Kill fire, kill fire. But the Yoruba meaning is fire brigade. Yep, the firefighters.
Again, this is a test of knowledge. You all go learn, and you will learn the hard way.
You go on secrets.
A very weary.
A very weary.
So number 2 is
Ijekuje.
Ijekuje. Ta ló lè bá wa translate Ijekuje to English?
I have one auntie here. She raised her hand so fast.
Ijekuje.
Ijekuje.
Sweet.
Ijekuje. She said sweet. Based on our rule, is Ijekuje sweet? Abi? Are noni? Oh, joy. Ijekuje, MC, that's it.
No.
Ijekuje, who wants to attempt it again?
There's a man at the
back. I have another hand here.
Shop rubbish, shop rubbish.
Hey, I like that. Chop rubbish, shop rubbish. You shop am. Ijekuje, did you get it?
No. So the answer to that, the translation to that is...
Another hand. I have another hand.
Okay.
There's another hand. Yeah.
Okay, there's mommy at the back there. Ijekuje.
Wantonness. To be wanton. Yeah, wanton.
Okay. Too much food.
Rarama.
Yeah? Too much food.
So the translation for that is eat, die, eat.
Eat, die, eat. Ijekuje. You je. Eat, die, eat. Thank you for attending our Yoruba class today. Yeah, if you fail after this one, it's not MC Asiwaju and MC Dara. Okay?
But we want to appreciate everyone for the attempt. Can you please jam your hands together for yourselves once again?
Should we do one more? Just one more. Ọlọ́pàá. Abeg, sir. Ọlọ́pàá. Who wants to interpret ọlọ́pàá?
Police officer.
Police officer, ọlọ́pàá. Did she get it?
The carrier of stick.
Thank you very much, Ma. This is a student that's now attending our class. It is stick owner. The owner of the stick is ọlọ́pàá. Yes? Maybe in your own Yoruba is police, but this all is ọlọ́pàá. I'm teaching you nonsense. I'm teaching you in the rubbish. I'm teaching you in the nonsense. You are attending MC Dara and Asiwaju Yoruba class. Ọlọ́pàá is stick owner. Okay? The next one. This one, I want you to say it in Yoruba. I will say it in English. You will now say it in Yoruba. It is you are done. You are done. You are done. In English, I want you to say it in Yoruba. You are done.
Ó ti tán. Ó ti parí.
You are done.
Ó ti parí.
Ó ti parí. You are done. My Yoruba people, you are done. MC Asiwaju, you are done. Ó ti parí.
You are done is etijono.
You don't born.
You don't born.
MC Asiwaju said you are done is otijono. Eh? So after this one, you've passed Yoruba. A1 after this session. Everyone A1 in Yoruba. One more. I'm going to go to the back because you see, we said people are here for different reasons. MC Asiwaju, people are here for different reasons. I'm going to go to the back because the people at the back, they are here for the puff-puff like me. They are here for the puff-puff like me. So I'll go and join them and eat puff-puff with them. The people at the back, I am coming with a uncle. I will give you side eye, uncle. I didn't see you take that puff-puff and that chicken. You broke the bone of the chicken. I saw you put your phone down. Don't worry. The people here, those of you here, I need you to translate this, all right? Odaro. What does it mean in English? Odaro. Odaro. Yeah? All of you on this table, Ekunle. All of you on this table, who are those serving the food? Please, these people. They will help you pack plates. You are not attending our Yoruba class. They said Odaro is good night. MC Asiwaju, is that correct?
Odaro.
Odaro, is it good night?
No.
Who wants to try? Odaro. Odaro.
Odaro means till tomorrow morning. Till
Thank
tomorrow
you very
morning.
much. This auntie here got it, but she didn't want the mic. Till tomorrow morning. That is Odaro.